Are you ready to transform your meals into moments of self-care? Let's dive into mindful eating, a practice that enhances our connection to food. Here are 5 tips. No recipes, no gimmicks, but instead actionable day-to-day, easily applicable eating principles. Tip 1. Eat slowly. Take small bites and chew thoroughly. Savor each and every bite. Slow, mindful eating allows for tuning into your body's signals. It brings about the sensation of satiety and fullness early and without any delay. While eating slowly, mindfully focus on your body's actual sensations, such as the taste of the chewed food. Above all, avoid eating due to boredom or emotions. Tip 2. Staying hydrated is important. Many times when we think we're hungry, we might just be thirsty. It is not uncommon for the body to falsely register thirst as hunger. Tip 3. The MyPlate method. Occupy 25% of your plate with protein, another 25% with carbs, and the rest with vegetables and fruits. In type 2 diabetes, it is a good idea to occupy 50% of the plate with vegetables and substitute the grain portion with a fruit of choice. This approach encourages a balanced intake of fruits, vegetables, grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Try to eat the vegetables and fruits first and do it slowly. For those with dietary restrictions, alternatives like almond or soy milk can replace dairy at breakfast time. A zero-calorie drink such as a coffee or tea is also a smart choice. Mindful awareness while eating helps sense early satiety signals, resulting in moderation of food intake. Next, let's talk about so-called weight cycling and how to avoid it, which brings us to the next tip. Tip 4. Strict diets typically lead to lasting unexpected weight gain. Yes, you heard it correctly, weight gain. The long-term end result is a weight that exceeds the one prior to dieting and is called weight recycling. Some also use the term yo-yo effect or yo-yo dieting. To avoid this phenomenon, enjoy your favorite foods slowly and mindfully. Foster healthy eating habits focused on well-being, strength, and vitality, not just weight reduction. Dining out, eating out frequently, this is the hallmark of a busy lifestyle. Tip 5. To avoid overeating, don't forget to ask for a takeout box at the beginning of your meal. This helps prevent overeating by limiting your portions. Leave enough food in the plate so you can adhere consistently to the MyPlate method even when dining out. Am I allowed to eat fruit? Yes! Fruits are a delicious way to consume healthy nutrients. Enjoy fruits in moderation and pair them with proteins or fats. Again, remember to eat slowly and savor each and every bite. Pairing a fruit with nuts or a yogurt is a smart and delicious snacking choice that helps maintain steady blood glucose levels. Nearly all whole fruits, including grapes, bananas, and oranges, provide fiber and essential nutrients. However, eat them whole, without juicing. This allows for their fiber to be preserved. Preserving their fiber prevents a rapid release of sugar in the digestive tract. Aim for 2 cups of whole fruit daily. Frozen whole fruits are also okay and do not lose their nutrients. What about vegetables? Up next, let's explore vegetables. A vibrant mix is essential for a nutrient-dense plate. Create a colorful medley by chopping fresh veggies. Add olive oil and vinegar for flavor, along with your favorite spices. A teaspoon of mustard added to the mix creates a delicious homemade dressing. Vinegar not only enhances taste, but also helps control sugar spikes. Now let's talk proteins. Proteins should take up about no more than 25% of your plate. Focus on lean, low-fat options. Give preference to lean meats, an excellent source of animal protein. But don't forget legumes as well, which are an excellent source of plant-based proteins and rich in micronutrients. And now finally, carbs. Carbs are also a key part of a healthy nutrition. Occupy 25% of your plate with a carbohydrate of your choice. Notice that carbs occupy an equal percentage of your plate as proteins. Commonly consumed carbs such as bread, pasta, rice, potatoes are good choices. But remember, keep it moderate at no more than 25% of your plate. Remember, healthy eating is about mindfulness and enjoying what you consume. Aim to carve out sufficient time as often as possible to nourish your body as an important self-care ritual. No unnecessary interruptions or distractions. Now take charge of your meals. Start incorporating these tips today for a stronger, more resilient, and healthier you. Want to learn more? Subscribe for additional insights and strategies or visit www.eatforresilience.com.